Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumbaga Jied ki Kyrtong na po ki artali ki parliamentary constituency kata ka Shlong bat katura ki ban mi kman siya ka yingdor bar thawan kari ka Lok Sabha ka long ba Shongshit bha kamtam hapo ka Seng BJP Meghalaya nakalyang President Barim ka Seng uba Ernest Maori ula Jingmut pada ban Jied ki Briew ki bala tip lepa siya pang ka Seng bat ru ya ka Jingmut Jong ka. Laban ong bahaduk menta ke BJP Meghalaya unit kadon haduk sangut ki Kyrtong ki bakwa banyak kunyi ke election MP napo ke Shlong parliamentary constituency ki bakin top yo menteri sarkar uba Alexander Lalu Hek Dr. Fenela Lingdo Nonglan uba Ernest Maori bat nongelam ke BJP youth wing. Habaya keren berkilat patai kubor menta ke sengi ke khat artrik luber arajar arpusau uba Maori ulaong baka daw ka penlong yu ba un yakon hagani election MP kadai hadin ka jing penbor na ki babun balang ki dikhot Jong ka Seng. Shishu na lor ki Kyrtong napo ka Shlong parliamentary constituency kin donru ki Kyrtong ki bana katura parliamentary constituency ki bakwa banyakun ha kani ki election. Watla na kalyang ka BJP Seng kebe kala penbena ya ka thup Kyrteng ka baningkong Jong ki Kyrtong Jong ka Henry ka klempat penpau Kyrteng ya ki Jong ke Meghalaya. Haba penkut na kalyang ba Maori ulaong baki vote Jong ke BJP ha Meghalaya kila keo bha laki long ha ke election MLA bala dep ni wat hadu ke Lok Sabha ru.
During Ba Shibun Lindo as the president in the year 2018, we fought the election and a certain percentage of vote share has gone up. And this time also, we fought all the 60 seats and our vote share has increased all over the state. So, we are doing well last election. I'm the candidate. I contest is from from the 18 West constituency. Being the candidate also, I travel the whole part of the state to campaign for others candidate also. And that time, the party Karekata, they really work hard. We have the organized set up in all the 60 mandal. We have the mandal committee, the polling booth committee, the district committee, and all they are all, they are well prepared for the election. So this time also, I think with the hard work of the party workers, we should win both the seat that is Shlong parliamentary and the Tura seat. And to win the election, depend on the decision of the party to whom will they select the candidate. That is very important point. Candidate choice is very important to win the election. And whoever issue the ticket, it should be, he should get the support right from the grassroots level to win the election. And this time, the election will be different with the good work of our Honorable Prime Minister, and you have seen a lot of development has taken place in the Northeast state. Especially just one example for the Assam. Crore and crore of money has been sanctioned for the Assam government in terms of development, road infrastructure, airway, like air connection or railway connection, all overall development. So I think it's a high time for the people in our state. Let us vote for the BJP this time and let us focus on development. Any comment? But first and foremost very important point to be highlighted here, anybody who contests from the BJP, first and foremost they should know the ideology of the party. And that's why the demand has come from the party workers all over the Shlong parliamentary seat, even for all around the Shlong. They want that anybody who contests from BJP, they should be from the party and they should know clearly the ideology of the party. That is the demand of the party Karekata and the members of the party.